Welcome on the channel, Robert 100 Car Repairs. Another issue with the Ford Mondeo MK5 2.0 turbo diesel DPF, problem with DPF, engine management light orange color was on, now disappear. I think gonna appear again. The code on the computer is P2002. After investigation, I have one of the suggestion on the website. The one of the pipe is just simply damaged. I need to replace. It's easy cost to replace, and I show you what that could be. I think that's the one. For that one, I have to go under the car and show you where is that. Okay, let's start. Oh my goodness, it's not good. Maybe for you guys. So this is DPF. This is pipe number 1 after. Pipe number 2 before. Let's give some lights. One pipe before and second pipe after. That pipe, oh my goodness, going here and what's wrong with this, I can see now. Can you see that pipe? It looks like go apart. It's protected by the like a net, but after that net I have the dirty marks from the exhaust, like the dirt one, dust or whatever that's called. It's come off on the side. I don't know if that's possible to see. Yes, I think it's possible to see. Probably this is the fault. So for that I need to unscrew this and this to having access for those two pipes. You see, the silver pipe come to the flexi pipe, and flexi pipe is damaged. Okay, let's have a job. Oh, can you see that fault? It's fucking fault. It's come off, so that need to replace or cut and move a little bit forward. We see. That's come off because of this. I was here. That's also not good. That's come off. So working, and come off. Here is the fault. Hey. Okay, so that bar come off. So that's good. 1, 2, 3. And there is also and number 4, number 13. So now there is access for that pipe. Access for that pipe. This is the issue. So I need to fix this. Okay, what we have here, that pipe had corrosion, come off from the DPF, give the error on the computer. So what I'm gonna do, I take the pipe from the it's from the plumbing things. That kind of plastic I have available only. I'm gonna extend that pipe, which is too short now because of this, but at the end of this, extended by this plumber pipe, but at end of the plumber pipe it will be flexi rubber, so that will be easy to connect. I believe someone before me did that job, but simple. It's not original parts, or maybe original, I don't know, but I need to extend by the plastic pipe. And after that I put all things for securing like a coat or whatever that's called. Let's start. Okay, this pipe is ready to deploy. That's come from the engine, from the black box. I don't know what's that for. It's covered by the like a jacket. This is one of the connection for plastic pipe, which is inside, and this is another connection. For a jacket and with plastic. Actually, between rubber hose and the plastic plumber hose, right? So this flexi rubber is connected to this one plastic. So rubber and plastic, between them is connection 1, connection 2, and this is from the box, and this is from the DPF. Okay, let's install. Okay, has been done. So as you can see, there is a black box over there. From black box coming the 2 pipes. This box having 2 pipes. One pipe coming to the like beginning of the DPF, and another pipe coming on the end of DPF. The reason why that snap in that place was this clip. This clip goes rusty, and then come off and don't hold these hoses. And hoses having slack, and they moving up and down, up and down, up and down, left, right, or whatever. And after 1 million times or whatever, it has been snapped here and come off. Once it's come off, the difference between fumes and front and back is different. I don't know if it's about the pressure, dirt, or what, giving to computer error on the dashboard. So now will be no more dashboard errors, but I have to attach these pipes to this clip, so will be no more movement of hose, which cause of the damage. Of course, it's not original parts, and I suspect that will be after a while come off again, and I need to buy original pipes, but for now it's fixed. Last view, pipe has been repaired. And attached to the place where it's supposed to be, so pipes don't move. If they don't move, it's not torn and still in the place. So this fourth bloody solution, it's the same since 2002. That get rust and come off, and that's cause of the more problems. Okay, so it's done. So I need to put the bars between two this anchors or whatever that's called, this and this. Oops! So that bar come back on the place.